Listen, that's not what I meant. You're taking that the wrong way. You're blowing all of this out of proportion. Listen, can we talk face to face? Come on. Alright, I'm coming over there. I'll be right over.
Headed on the tip of my tongue till walking to your doorstep. And now my heart collapses, 'cause I can't remember any happiness. It had so much depth. I know it would have fit you with me if only you would have seen it. You all the time. If you would just stay mine in my car, I rehearsed, said it all perfect in words. How I love you, girl, for who you are, but you'll never come back to me unless I remember those touching words that I'd rehearse, sobbing in my car. Alone with myself, if only you would have been sitting next to me. My teardrops fell like rain. I said it so plain, I'm sorry I did you wrong. It was like a song, the words I said in my car. But you didn't see any of it, and I can't even recall it. I had it all down pat, and now you'll never be able to tell these feelings in my heart. If I could only recall the words I thought out loud, like this saying in my car. I said how I try hard to please you all the time. If you would just stay mine in my car. I rehearsed, said it all perfect in words. How I love you, girl, for who you are, but you'll never come back to me unless I remember those touching words that I'd rehearse, sobbing in my car. I know these words that I lack will too quickly come back. When I turn away, I'll learn the fact my memory will once again be clear. I'll say things like on our first date, but it won't matter anymore, 'cause those words would be too late.